Hi everyone, today in front of me I have the OnePlus Nord CE2 smartphone and I'm going to show the best widgets for it. So let's go ahead and start. In order to open up the widget menu, you gotta either do the shrinking movement, the shrink and swipe, or just tap and hold, and here this additional home screen menu pops up. Just choose the widgets icon, and here you have the widgets menu with all kinds of widget categories. To start off, I'll highly recommend on adding the Google search bar, which is located in the Google category. Just tap and hold, choose the home screen that you want to put this widget at, and release the finger. You can also change the size of your widget just by long holding on it, tapping and holding on it basically, and regulating its size. I'll just leave it like that. There is also possible to rotate the widgets among the home screen you have, so I'll actually just drop it here. The next widget that I would highly recommend on adding is the clock widget. In here you have the choice between analog clock and digital clock. I'll go with analog one, put it right here, and here it is. This widget, you can also change its size, increase, decrease, make it bigger, smaller, it's up to you. And the final widget that I would highly recommend on adding is it is called the OnePlus widget. The category is called the OnePlus widget, and the widgets are also called like that. Here you have the useful information like time, date, weather information in one single widget. Since I have the clock, I do not need to display time. I'll just go with the first design, which displays the weather and date. This widget you can absolutely also change the size of, or yeah, this size is the maximum. It's the biggest it can get. I'll even show how you can shrink it a little bit and make it smaller. Like that. Alright, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.